Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Ashley, and if this is your first time here, be sure you do subscribe down below. And if you have social media, you can follow me, Makeup Artist 27. That'll be Facebook and Instagram. And before you leave, be sure you do give it a thumbs up, and let's just go ahead and get started on today's video, guys. Alright guys, so this video is unboxing. We're doing an unboxing of Ipsy. We have some Ipsy products. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys. It's been a long time since I don't show you like Ipsy unboxing, and there's a lot of changes that came with Ipsy this month. So here I have two bags of Ipsy. I have one that is my add-ons, and this is the regular Ipsy. Yes, a bag. So no more boxes of Ipsy starting August, as you can see. So now we get a little bag with other products inside, which is different from a lot of the brands. Like Boxy Charm is a box, and now Ipsy is just a bag, which I love the bag. I'm gonna keep it so I can put things in there when I go travel in 2022 because we don't even know when we're gonna be able to travel. So this is how it comes now, and I feel it. Like, I feel like it's gonna be weird getting used to this, but I feel like it's pretty. It's pretty. You open it and you get all the products. It brings a flyer also. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got. We got some Ipsy. I think you can actually see the what Ipsy is gonna be doing now, and this is the Ipsy GLAM, not the Ipsy regular one. This is the Ipsy GLAM. This is the $25 one, and there's some stuff in here that changed, and I think there's you can see the changes here. Save the date 9/1/2/93. So in September we get to choose products, and now with Ipsy you get to choose 3 products. You get to choose 3 of your products. That is insane. I feel like that is amazing. They're trying to get from, I think they're learning a little bit more from Boxy Charm now. Boxy Charm, I think you can get 2 to 3 products on the Luxe. On the Premium, I think you get to choose 2 or 1. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But now Ipsy picks 2 personalized items we think that they will love, that you will love from your beauty quiz, and then you choose 3 of your 5 full-size favorites from a made-for-you assortment of products that match your profile. So depending on your profile, you get to choose 3 of your products to your bag. So when you get your bag, you already know which 3 products you're gonna get out of 5 of them, which is amazing. I like that. And the add-ons up to 8 additional products. You won't believe these deals that you ship free with your all new drawstring Glam Bag Plus, which is weird because I did get my add-ons on. I did get my add-ons in another bag, like in another ship. So I don't know, but let's see what we got in here. Actually, this doesn't say what products I get. It doesn't say what products I got, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys the products I got. I'm gonna see if I can find the on my app. I do have the Ipsy app, so I'm gonna find the app. Alright guys, so let me show you guys what I received on my Ipsy bag. First item is a Huda Beauty lipstick. I actually chose this item, and this is a demi matte Huda Beauty, and I think they run for $20. This is $20 for this Huda Beauty, and this is the color Revolutionary, I think it's called. I believe it's called Revolutionary. It looks kind of like a nude color. Like, it looks really cute. I like that. Okay, next item is a duo. It's a Beauty for Real duo. I actually have tried their eyeliners, and they're really good. like the eyeliners are really black and really good, like really pigmented. So here is a duo of the like eyeshadows, like I guess the cream eyeshadow ones. So they're pretty. It's not something that I use, but they're pretty. I swatched them so you guys can see. So that is how it looks. We have 2 shades in there, and this duo is $38 for that duo. All right, the next item here is palette. We have a palette from Benise Fling Bailey Sarine Estate. I don't know. Let's see. I might give it away. I just got it because I was like, is it only good? Like the other item that it was to choose, I was like, no. It's actually pretty good. Like I feel like it's so cute. It's like really big colors. I might just give it away. So I have a lot of things to give away, guys. So if you subscribe, I'm able to speed up those giveaways if I'm trying to get to a certain amount of subscribers so I can do the giveaways. So but this item is $30. This item is $30. Okay, next item is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. It came all hit, the box is like all broken. This is a primer. I think I have like another cream of him, but like exfoliating or something. It's like a little try on size, but this is actually a luminizer primer. This is exciting. I don't feel a smell, but we have a little primer, illuminating primer for all skin types. And let's see, how much is this? This is $38 for that, guys. Okay. All right, next we have one more item, I believe. One more item, and then we have the little add-ons. Okay, next item is eyeliner. I love to have eyeliners. Like, that's something that I always like to have. This is a I Am Amazing eyeliner, real hair 24-hour eyeliner. It's like a gel one. Ooh, super dark. Oh, I want to try it. I can't wait to try that. Look at that, so pigmented. And this is, let's see, how much is this? $16 for that. Okay, and that's it for the Ipsy bag of this month, August. And now I do have the my add-ons from Ipsy, and these normally go for like, I think it's like 12 or I don't remember the price. Let's see. I don't remember the prices for them, but usually I think they're around like $12, something like that. It's really affordable. Like, it's nothing like, they're like sample sizes. So sometimes I just like to get them just to try the product, or just to have them when I travel, like little good sizes that you can travel with. So we have a mask, super hydrant, avocado plus kiwi mega moisture superfood mask from Briogeo. I don't know if that's how you say it, but this is the mask, and I wanted to try it. I haven't tried this product, and I think this is my second time using this one, so I liked it, so I was like, let me get another one. This is actually the Curl Friend Defining Curl Cream. So pretty. And that's it. That is it for Ipsy. That is it for Ipsy. I'm gonna show you guys one more extra products. I want to unbox with you the Morphe brushes. Morphe brushes. All right, so we have the Morphe brushes. This is the Morphe brushes for the month of August. I always forget to put pause. Like, I usually pause. Like, I usually go. You can actually look what you're getting and then be like, okay, I don't want those products because I already have similar ones. So But this one is actually a big one. Like, it has more than 5 products for $19.99, which is really, really good. Like, I was like, oh, so excited. So exciting. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a bag. That's why it's so big. So, okay, so let's see. We have a little flyer. We have an extra brush outside, so I guess this is a single one that just came. And we have a 6-pack. So that's why I was like, why did it look so many brushes? So it's like it's an all I want 6-piece brush collection plus bag. That is so cute. I love this because you can actually take this to travel, like the bag. So we have all I want. Let's open it, and you can see like the brushes in here with the details of what it does. I like it. It's like a shiny type of bag. So cute. This comes really bagged. Here's the set. And let's see what we have. I'm gonna show you guys like the details of all the brushes, okay? And we have an extra one that just came aside. So yeah, so she has the little set, and then she has a single one over here. Let's go ahead and show you guys all the brushes. Let's see. First one, we do have like an angle brush in spoolie. This one is the M158. So it's a spoolie and a little angle brush to do like eyebrows and eyeliner you can use. Then we have a small chisel brush. It's a M220 to M210. It doesn't even have the, I'm trying to look for the name. It doesn't have the name. Like, it doesn't have like the number. So this one right here, I don't know if you can see. It's kind of like an eyebrow, like an eye brush type of eyeshadow type, but a little bit bigger. And it doesn't have the number over here. There's no numbers. It does have a number on the flyer. So this is a small chisel brush. Then we have like that same one, but like smaller, like mini, a smudge. It's a smudge brush. It's a smudge brush, like super tiny type of color, like type of brush. And that one is a M213. It doesn't have the, I don't like that it doesn't have like the numbers in here. Then we have a Tapper crease brush. We love crease brushes. One of my favorite ones. This one is M411. I try to look for a number, but it doesn't have a number. Just a crease brush. And then we have an angle brush, definer brush, I mean. And this one is M432. Just a regular like angle concealer, whatever you want to use it, the angle. Definer brush. Actually, it's good for concealer or like define something like. Then we have a firm blender brush. It's like a smaller blending brush. It's the same one as the other one, but just a little bit smaller. And that one is M433. And lastly, we do have this one, which is, this one has the name. This one has the little name. This one is a round contour brush, so oh, looks perfect to like contour. Looks like a perfect size too. A round contour brush, and this is R14. The good thing about this Life Glam that is you paid $19.99 for the month, and you get 5 to 7 brushes, because that is 7 brush sets. I don't think it's a bad deal. Usually these brushes run from $8 each, so imagine 8 times 7 can be $46, so you're getting a good deal in there. 8 times 7 is not 46, whatever. I'm not doing math right now, but yeah, I feel like it's a really good deal. $19.99 for a set of brushes. It goes from 5 to 7 brushes. It's not a bad price at all. So if you're interested, my link is in the bottom also. You can click and just read about it, and if you're interested, you can subscribe. It's not that bad. You can skip it anytime you want. You can hold it for 2 months, whatever you want to do. Like, I usually every month I'll go in. Like for September, I have to go in. I always forget. I go in, I look, and I'm like, these brushes I don't want, I already have those. Or if I see one that I'm like, ooh, I want that, then I'll keep it. If not, you can skip it, or you can even change it for another brush set from another month, like a past month that you didn't get. You can also do that, or you can get other products with those. You can replace it with another product. So yeah, that is it, guys, for this video. This is Ipsy unboxing, and we just bought a little extra of the Morphe Brushes Life Glam. And yes, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just a little unboxing, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching my video. I love you all.